Alright guys, charge pipe is installed. Let's go for a quick drive. I haven't started the car since then, so if anything comes up, we'll figure it out. Fuel reserves, I have enough, 77. Let's see. Started up well. I'm not going far. I'm just gonna go around the colony, see if any issues come up. Yeah, there is a. Maybe it's because the car is warming up. So, let's see what. Is there any error? Vehicle status. Fuel reserve, that's alright. I'm okay with fuel reserve. 75 kilometer range, so let's go back to. Alright, so yeah, you can I mean, I didn't expect any kind of, what do you call, performance gains out of this mod, but one thing you instantly notice is that there's a throttle response improvement. Significant improvement in throttle response. I mean, you can feel it. So just turn the AC off to feel it even better. Yeah. That dead zone in the throttle is gone. Maybe it's just butt time or whatever. But after removing that block off plate, the throttle response definitely improved, and after doing this, there is a noticeable improvement in throttle response. So AC is off. Yeah. Oh wow, I just skid my wheels there. Engine doesn't sound any different, so from the inside, with the windows up, there's no extra engine sounds. Yeah, a bit of an improvement, you know. I guess we'll figure out. I mean, maybe because I'm wearing slippers or something, I can feel a little bit of improvement in the response. Ideally, I don't think so, unless my original charge pipe was really fucked up. And it was leaking in a couple of places, so definitely there was a fuck up there. But yeah, I think it's good now. This way, there's a good stretch of road up ahead where I can just gun it a little bit. I hate this thing. The plastic on the steering wheel is awful. I just wish they'd given it leather. Maybe when I do my M Sport bumper conversion at one of my friend's shop, Harman Arora, he's opened a new shop called Abstract Autos, which specializes in some very, very fancy retrofits. So he's already got an M Sport bumper for me. Just haven't had the time to give this car to him to do it. I'll ask him to, cut this stupid plasticky steering wheel cover off and put a leather one on, so I can actually hold it. Initially I was thinking of selling this car, but normal comfort mode, there's no problem. Nothing is blowing off, nothing is leaking. Throttle response is pretty instant. Now, since my wife is learning to drive on this car, so she'll be a much better judge of any change in performance, because for a new driver she has a tremendous sensitivity to any changes in the car. So let's see, we are in Sport Plus mode. We are going to pump it up. This BMW car. What is? Okay, once these guys are done. Has it added power? No, but it definitely made the car respond a lot better. I guess because there were leaks in my original charge pipe, there was some issues happening there, but with this new one, loudest slow car I own. Okay, where do you want to go, bro? So far. I don't think there's any improvement. It's just that it's able to access the power a little earlier, maybe at full boost. So 6. Oh yeah, it's kicking the tail out nicely. That I haven't seen this car do in a long time. I don't think it has ever done it. Maybe in 2020. And we can do a quick launch over here. It's an empty road and nobody's coming, so okay, launch control in this car is pretty simple. Left foot on brake, right foot on gas, click the button in the bottom. Definitely. I don't think I've gotten ever that much squeal out of my tires on this car ever. So time to go home. Alright guys, nothing blew up, nothing fell off the car, so installation done pretty well, I guess.